In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to profile tab settings and how to use them in Salesforce. Understanding how to navigate and manipulate these settings is crucial for customizing and optimizing your Salesforce experience to better fit your organizational needs. Let's start by ensuring we're on the right page. First, you'll want to go to the home page of your Salesforce account. This is essentially your launchpad where you'll access most of the settings and features that Salesforce has to offer. Once you're there, your next task is to locate the settings. Typically, you can find the settings option marked with a gear icon at the top of your interface. Clicking on this will unveil a range of options, but we're looking for something specific. Open Advanced Setup. After clicking on Settings, a menu appears, and you should see the Open Advanced Setup option fairly clearly. Select it. Now that we're in the advanced setup, our next move is to find the Profiles section. Go to the search bar, usually located at the top of the setup page, and type in Profiles. This makes it easy to navigate this large and often complex system. Once profiles are visible, simply click on Profiles. You're now in the right place to start customizing specific profiles. A list of existing profiles will be displayed. Choose the profile you'd like to edit by clicking on the respective edit option next to it. This action pulls up a variety of settings specific to the profile you've chosen. Once you're ready, click on Edit next to the name of the specific profile, allowing you to delve deeper into its settings. Navigating further, you'll come across a section called Tab Settings. Clicking, this will open up a range of adjustments you can make regarding the visibility and accessibility of different tabs for the selected profile. Tab settings allow you to customize which tabs are hidden, visible, or default on your Salesforce interface for this profile. This page provides the tools you need to tailor the appearance and functionality of Salesforce precisely to the needs of different user groups within your organization. For instance, what might be useful for a sales team might not be necessary for the HR department, and this is where you can make those distinctions clear. Remember, configurations in the tab settings page can significantly impact how users interact with Salesforce, potentially increasing efficiency and reducing navigation time. So take your time playing around with these settings to ensure they align with each team's objectives and day-to-day tasks. That's all for today. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to access and edit profile tab settings in Salesforce, but you've also unlocked the potential to create a more streamlined workflow tailored to specific user roles within your organization. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video.